Free sewing machine from government we have received under PM Vishwakarma Scheme yesterday. So this is the bag and electric motor we have here, and along with foot pedal and some more accessories also came, and this is a free bag they have provided in the kit. And these are all accessories we have received, everything from scissor, electric pedal, motor, accessories, whatever required for tailoring, they have all sent in one full kit. This is the electric motor, again I am showing. So next part will be I will show demo of this machine and working. And these are all scissors and chalk piece like